Welcome to our video. Delight in the sweetness of tradition without compromising your vegan principles with these vegan sugar cookies. These tender, buttery cookies are a timeless favorite, transformed into a compassionate treat by using plant-based ingredients. Let's dive into the video. Wait! Before starting the vegan meal plan video, I introduce you with alpha-liin, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 2½ cups all-purpose flour and a pre-spoon baking powder and a ½ teaspoon salt, 1 cup vegan margarine or coconut oil. Softened: 1 cup granulated sugar, ½ cup unsweetened applesauce, 2 teaspoons pure vanilla extract. Vegan sprinkles, option vegan icing allage. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together the all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. Set this dry mixture aside. In a separate large mixing bowl, cream together the softened vegan margarine or coconut oil and granulated sugar until it becomes light and fluffy. This should take about 2–3 minutes. Mix in the unsweetened applesauce and pure vanilla extract until well combined. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet mixture and mix until a soft dough forms. Be careful not to overmix. Just mix until combined. Roll out the cookie dough on a lightly floured surface to your desired thickness, usually about ½ 4-inch. Use cookie cutters to cut out your desired shapes. Place the cookies on the prepared baking sheet and bake in the preheated oven for 8–10 minutes or until the edges start to turn golden. Keep a close eye on them to avoid overbaking. Once the cookies are completely cool, you can decorate them with vegan icing and sprinkles if desired. Your delicious vegan sugar cookies are ready to enjoy. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. To view more exciting videos like this, please hit the like button, comment us, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.